Good morning, friends and family from around the world. This is Mike with Daily Events Worldwide, and we are on May 9th, 2022. Welcome to another surviving day on the planet, and welcome to a quick video update here, as we did have a pretty sizable earthquake overnight. 6.3 earthquake rang out in Japan just about 2 hours ago, about 7:30 UTC time, at a 27-kilometer depth. Yonaguni, Japan. There was a small earthquake there yesterday and today, striking a 6.3. Also looking here at the national buoy data, as there is a buoy in event mode east of Mariana's Trench right now, showing slight discrepancies in the buoy readings, therefore going into event mode. That is the only one across the world seems to be showing activity. Having a look at USGS, only 154 earthquakes the last 24 hours. It's been way too quiet, folks. Heads up, because right after this deep earthquake, 6.3, Yonaguni, Japan, there was a pretty deep earthquake just recently. Tonga region, just about a 600-kilometer depth. We've had interesting activity across the planet during this quiet lull, where normally we're over 200 earthquakes in a 24-hour period, sitting only 154. Here are those interesting quakes I was talking about. North Pole is a rockin' today. Svalbard, 5.4, 4.4, and a 5.1. So heads up, everybody. Stay aware and prepared. After that deep earthquake in Tonga, we can always expect a larger, shallower earthquake to follow, even knowing we had that 6.3 just beforehand. Let's have a quick look here at the Pacific Disaster Center, see if there are any tsunami watches that were put out after this large 6.3, and it does not look like there was. So, a big heads up for everybody. Stay tuned for the Daily Dew coming tonight to give you a full update on earthquakes, space weather, and world weather. Thanks for watching today. Please share this with your friends and family. Stay aware and prepared, stay young and have fun, and get your Daily Dew. Bye-bye now.